I can hear the silence as I'm walking by. Everyone's so quiet, I know the reason why. I'm not gonna hide it, I'm not gonna lie. I know you can see it, what you got yourself into. What you got yourself into.
Hello, welcome back. I am so excited, beyond excited for today's video. You guys and girls can already tell what it is by the title, so I just quickly want to do a little bit of an intro just before we get into the actual vlog and the footage from the day. I've always had an idea where I wanted to take a subscriber shopping and just spend the day with them, but then the only issue was I was like, well, how do I pick a subscriber? Like, how does that work? And then I thought, oh, should I do a bit like a giveaway or like a competition kind of thing? And I was like, no, I don't know if I want to do that. I thought, no, I'm actually going to go ahead and pick someone who I know has supported me for a while now. So I did actually reach out to Rebecca, and Rebecca has been a long-term subscriber of mine for many years now. Actually, even going back to when YouTube was just a hobby for me. It was just something I did on the side for a bit of fun, and she was subscribed to me then. And I actually got to meet Rebecca this year at Big Beauty Day Out, and she bought me these little silver bee studs for my birthday, and I was like, what the hell? The fact that you've even brought me anything when you didn't have to, and the fact you've spent your money on me just blows my mind. Like, what? I also want to mention real quickly, Dal Walker did actually like collaborate with me on this. They actually did supply some of these makeup products that we picked out at the makeup counters and stuff, which was really nice of them, because in all honesty, I don't think I'd be able to afford every single thing, because we also went to like Lush and we got eyelashes and like facial sprays and makeup and creams and all these sort of bits and bobs. I just want to say a big thank you to them, because I wouldn't have been able to get her as much items if it wasn't for them as well. So they got some and I got some, and I'm just really thankful for them for working with me and helping me out on this. And I really do hope that if this video does well, then I can actually do more of this. I'm gonna leave the intro here, and I'm now gonna play the vlog from the day. Enjoy! As you would have seen from the intro in this video, I'm actually meeting Rebecca, one of my subscribers. I'm also meeting Lorna from Dal Walker. This weather is great, but it's not raining, which is the main thing. I've got a nude kind of like crop top on from Misguided. You know that oversized jean dress? I've worn that open with my jeans like this, sort of casual vibes. I'm hoping that Rebecca gets the correct exit. I spot someone!
I'm gonna try and find you, but I found you!
Bitches, you look so pretty! Okay, so we have arrived at Steeler. So you just said you haven't had anything from Steeler. Well, girl. Yes!
You know what I mean?
The glitter and glow, yeah! Yeah, that's really nice. I'm not gonna lie, that's actually so good for like a day-to-day. Yeah, that'd really suit you.
On the chair.
It's so pretty. She's the Mark Hill one today. The Marc Jacobs counter. This lighting is not the one, but so you're looking at more like facial stuff. You're saying like bronzers. They've got some new powders out. We shall see. This is the one that apparently is really good though, guys.
Yeah, full coverage one.
I think that's so sick that they're doing a powder and you get the brush and the brush goes in the top of it. Look at that. Genius. Especially on a night out, guys. Oh, as always, Sabrina is just destroying the makeup counters. There we go. And you did say that you like a luxury lipstick. So Rebecca is just going to be colour matched to one of the Marc Jacobs concealers.
It's really new, it's just launched. All about kind of quick fix products. And so it's the world's first compact.
Wow.
Shampoo.
Yeah, that's amazing.
Orange.
Okay, so just at the Marabidescu, and I was just saying how these toners are really, really nice. And Rebecca has gone and picked this one. So we're going to go and get that now. you. Hello. We're just going to have some chat and chill in the car, and then we're going to go to Selfridges. Gavin, have you been in Selfridges? The brushes, there's a brush that I absolutely love. I was like, you two need it. Yeah, I know. She knows. We'll see you guys when we get there. Bye bye, have a good day. Whoop. Thank you.
It's got SPF in it, but it also protects from blue light. So if you're going to be like at a computer all day or like editing,
oh my gosh, I didn't even know.
This is the like glowy one, and then these are like for minimising.
Oh, I gotta try a bit of this. Look at me, it's not even about me, it's about you. What is wrong with me? Just left Selfridges now. Honestly, the makeup area in there is just insane, and they have so many goodies in there. You could spend your whole entire life in that place. But we're leaving now. We're gonna go and grab some food because I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna be peckish. Are you girls getting peckish too? Yeah, same. Always hungry. Cannot wait to actually scoff our faces and actually sit down and have a little bit of a chat as well. So Lorna has left us and we are in Lush right now. So good, honestly, everything's so good. You picked up a Cosmetic Warrior face mask. That's actually so good. That is such a good one. It used to be one of my favourites. What do you think of this one?
It smells nice. I'm trying to think, it smells like one that's not before.
Yeah, it's quite a clean, subtle scent, isn't it?
It's nice.
If you're ever feeling like low on energy and you need to pick yourself up, Avo bath. Oh my god, it has such a gorgeous uplifting scent. Love it.
Show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws.
As we are in Oxford Street, Central London, I had to bring Rebecca to the doll beauty counter to get her some doll beauty lashes, because in Topshop they're actually foaming. So if you want to get them, I'd recommend them get them from Topshop, because obviously they're foaming, which is really, really good. And you haven't tried them. You tried the highlighter before, isn't it?
Yeah,
but you've not tried them.
Not the lashes.
Hello. Don't mind me.
We've got the new highlight.
Yeah, that one's got all of them in it. I've not seen that one, but I had this one before. No, tell a lie, it was that one.
Yeah, that's really good.
Yeah.
What did you forget?
So good now. I asked for double shots of caramel in there. Oh, check you.
There's me having a cup of tea.
I'm such a vlogger now. I drink iced lattes. We are in Topshop right now. I'm with this gorgeous girl, and you're welcome. Thank you. Wow. What are we like? And I have to say, like, today has been so good so far, hasn't it?
I've had a really good day. Really good day. And it's only just gone half free.
Gone half free, and honestly the day has just gone so smooth, so well. And I just thought, do you know what, like, while we're doing a bit of shopping, let's have a cupcake and a latte.
And a good old tea. Nice tea and latte.
I haven't done so much though.
Oh my god, I'm not gonna lie, my back is killing me. Like, I think it's just me getting old.
No, I'm really hot. I'm kind of slightly regretting it.
I've got my phone.
Yeah, true.
Yeah, so don't worry, I've got your girl.
Put my phone case on.
Oh yeah, she's got a phone case. Do you want to show them what one it is?
Yeah. Skinny dip.
Because you love dinosaurs.
Yeah.
And Disney. Oh my god, okay, so as well, sorry, I didn't even mention, I've bought us both Betsy eyelashes. These are by Doll Beauty, as you guys would have seen. So have a little look at those and tell me which one you prefer. And yeah, they are. This one is mine with Ferrero Rocher. The red velvet is Rebecca's. I've just spoke for quite a while now, guys. It's been so nice.
Yeah, I had a really good day. Thank you.
Oh my god, you're so welcome. Honestly, it's been such a good day. I've really loved it. And I feel like just coming and having a little chat as well.
Yeah, so we got kind of deep.
We actually did.
Yeah, literally got so deep, but oh well, yeah, I had a really good day.
Thank you.
I know this isn't the most flattering angle right now, I'm not gonna lie, but you're on this like makeshift tripod thing that I've just made just to make my life easier so I don't have to hold it with my hands. I just basically want to come on here and just kind of bring the video to an end. Today has been absolutely amazing, guys. Like, I cannot put into words how amazing it's been to be able to take Rebecca makeup shopping. Has just been incredible. Even though it may have started off as Rebecca being a subscriber, a viewer, that kind of thing, I class her as a friend now. You know, we had such a good chat when we was drinking our tea and coffee, and it was really nice, guys. It was like just sitting there and talking to your friend and just kind of opening up about stuff, and it was just such a lovely day. Like, so I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click subscribe and join my family, and if you want, here's my Instagram. Feel free to follow me. It's up to you. Totally fine. Anyways, take care. Bye. So I've just arrived at the Fenty counter. I'm going to give you like a few shots of the makeup, and the shade range is just incredible here. I haven't actually tried their concealer or their foundation yet.